Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soufflé in Disney Dreamlight Valley step by step. Preheat your kitchen station, gather eggs, milk, and flavoring ingredients, and open the cooking menu to select soufflé. Follow ingredient prompts precisely, combine components in the correct order, and monitor the cooking timer closely. Pay attention to character boosts and kitchen upgrades that improve success rates. I will guide you through each step, so you can craft perfect soufflés every time. Next, gather everything you need for the soufflé and check your inventory. Start by collecting eggs and milk plus the flavoring item listed by the recipe, like chocolate or berries. Use cooking stations and character abilities to boost ingredient drops and quality. This helps prevent failed attempts. If you're missing a specialty item, trade with villagers or visit shops. I'll explain which boosts matter most and how to prepare ingredients quickly and efficiently. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I know to make more content for you. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated during long gaming or cooking sessions, and it fits nicely beside your controller or keyboard. It seals well, looks good, and keeps drinks cool while you craft in-game. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start cooking by adding ingredients in the precise sequence the recipe shows and keep an eye on the mixing prompts. Stir when indicated and watch the cooking meter so you stop at the right moment to avoid burning or collapsing the soufflé. Apply any available boosts or spices during the process to improve final quality and star rating. I will walk you through timing cues and button prompts so your soufflé puffs perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.